Welcome to this video where we will dive into a fascinating problem encountered while developing a fractal explorer in C++ using sfml in std thread for rendering the Mandelbrot set. The issue at hand revolves around a consistent visual artifact that disrupts the smooth filling of the image during progressive rendering. This problem presents itself as thin, disconnected horizontal lines within each thread's assigned region, creating a disruptive pattern instead of solid bands of computed pixels. Moving on to the solution provided, the first step involves addressing a specific issue in the code. By refraining from using memset to reset the pixels array during render restart attempts, we prevent the erasure of work done by the threads. This simple adjustment ensures that the rendering process maintains its integrity and eliminates unnecessary disruptions caused by overwriting pixel data prematurely. In the next stage of the solution, we focus on optimizing the multi-threaded CPU rendering process by leveraging shared resources and avoiding global variables. By using std shared_ptr to manage the pixels array and thread stop flags, we prevent crashes resulting from concurrent access to shared data. This restructuring enhances the stability and efficiency of the rendering system, leading to smoother and more consistent results. Continuing with the enhancements, a comprehensive code snippet is provided to refine the rendering logic and address the artifact issue effectively. By utilizing a structured approach with shared pointers and synchronized data access, the CPU rendering threads can work collaboratively without conflicts or disruptions. This optimized implementation ensures a seamless rendering experience with improved reliability and visual output. In summary, by implementing the prescribed solutions, we have successfully addressed the persistent artifact issue in the Fractal Explorer. The refined rendering process, enhanced with shared pointers and synchronized data access, ensures a smoother and more stable exploration of the Mandelbrot set. Join me in the next video for more exciting coding adventures. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Remember, even fractals can't resist the power of well-structured code.